STEPS is a decision-making tool to help schools choose appropriate and evidence-based anti-bullying programs and approaches. For Australian schools that want to avoid using inappropriate or ineffective programs, STEPS provides a robust, transparent and comprehensive process to selecting an approach to bullying prevention. STEPS facilitates local decision-making, builds school capacity, and highlights the many aspects relevant in selecting bullying prevention programs. STEPS guides schools to answer 3 overarching questions. Does the approach work? Will it work in our school? And how will we know it has been effective? These 3 questions are explored through the 9 concepts of definition, theory, evidence, practice, suitability, feasibility, perspective, sustainability, and real results. Each of the 9 concepts has a key question which the school needs to consider. Definition. Is the approach based on a contemporary understanding of bullying that is consistent with the school's definition? Theory. Is the approach based on a sound theory that draws on the existing knowledge from previous research in bullying? Evidence. Does the approach have evidence from well-designed research which shows measurable change in behaviour? Practice. Have other schools used this approach and achieved positive outcomes? Suitability. Does the approach address the target students and needs that the school has identified? Feasibility. Is the approach feasible and practical in the school context? Perspective. Is the philosophical perspective underpinning the approach compatible with the school's approach to behaviour, learning and student well-being? Sustainability. Can the school implement and sustain the approach as required for it to be effective? And real results. Does the approach indicate how outcomes will be measured and timeframes within which to expect to see real results? The STEPS image shows that the 9 concepts in the framework are interrelated and are all important to comprehensively examine an approach. The framework is flexible so that schools can start with the most relevant concept for them and progress in any order. To guide schools to answer the 9 key questions, STEPS provides numerous prompt questions. Schools should be able to find all the information they need to respond to the prompt questions in a program manual or website, as well as in their annual plan, school policies and data, and from members of the school community. Extensive information and resources to support schools to use STEPS are available on the Bullying No Way website at bullyingnoway.gov.au/preventingbullying/STEPS. Schools are also encouraged to send any feedback and questions to bnw.website@det.qld.gov.au. STEPS is an important tool for ensuring you select effective and appropriate programs and approaches so that your school's resources and efforts will make a real, positive and lasting difference for students.